Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday we had our eye on DGAS after spotting a 25 million share print at $4.06. And if you recall, we were only bearish below that. And you can see as soon as the market opened up, she shot up all the way to 440. And we spotted another print yesterday. So this is the level today. We spotted a 6 million print at 427. All right, so that's going to be the level we're going to trade off today. Going to be bullish above 427. But if she breaks below 406, guess what? Bearish. So this is the natural gas 3 times the inverse. It's an ETN. Again, it's not something you hold on to for a long time, but for a day trade, if you're trading natural gas, definitely important to watch these levels. And a lot of my traders in the pit love to trade it. So also we were watching ATVI. Yeah, this was my favorite one yesterday. We spotted that really big print, million share print at 36.29 the day before. Told you to watch this 37 level. And my high-end target, 38. I did take a lot of profit yesterday on it, but still holding half position. And if she could break above 37.50, that's a pretty big level. Right? If she can do that, 38 is that high-end target still. And also we were watching gold, in particular GDX. And if you recall, 22 was the magic level. Now she couldn't break above that yesterday, but guess what? Today, oh yeah, GDX is flying high, making higher highs, higher lows, really good volume. And guess what? IAU finally above 11.29. That was a big sell level back here in the end of November. And finally, we are above that level this morning. Now, the next level up of resistance, where the big guys were selling, were 12.09. So there's a lot of room to the upside if IAU can stay above 11.29. And I'm also watching the gold futures. And you can see that a ton of volume just came into them at this 11.75 level. So going to be bullish on the futures and gold as long as she stays above 11.75. Right now, kind of stuck on the Camarilla pivots. If you don't have these, definitely I highly suggest you put them in your chart because look how amazing they are. Yeah, if she could break above that, yep, 11.80, where we had this upthrust candle in the middle of the evening, that would be resistance. And of course, if we break above that, I could see 1200 pretty quickly. All right, so those are the levels we're watching on gold. We're also going to watch what prints come in. And speaking of prints, that leads me to the whisper of the day. But before I get to that, I have to say congratulations to the trader of the day yesterday. His name is Cameron, and we call him the Magnificent. And thank you, Cameron, for all those fantastic call-outs in the room. You rocked it yesterday on the VXX puts. He had some IWM lottos, XME. You killed it yesterday. And I got to give a big shout out to Trader Kaka, who rocked it on Gush. Holy cow, that guy made like 100 points on that. So, fantastic swing trading there. And thanks for all the call outs in the room. That's what really makes the room so great, is that my traders are calling out high probability setups, charts all day long. Involved on the prints, you guys. Yesterday, I did post this up on Twitter and StockTwits. I'm going to blow it up so you can see it good. But look at this unbelievable print. 5.9 million shares right here, trading on MOS at $30.30. A lot of us are swinging this. And Monsanto, let me just go up to that chart, is all the way at 30.80. So following the prints is our biggest secret. Love it. As long as she stays above 30.30, that's great. And I do see an inverse head and shoulders. Let me just color that in for you. Right? We have like that inverse head and shoulders formation. So if she could break above 32, right, then we could go all the way up to 40. But let's just take it one level to level. And as long as she stays above 30, that's looking very bullish on Montana. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more all day long. We're calling out high probability trades in our live trading room. It's only $9.95. Come to www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.